Hi there guys, just a quick thank you to say thank you for 10,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. And as a bit of a thank you, today I'm going to be giving away a £50 Amazon gift card. This prize is a thank you to my subscribers. So, if you want to win the voucher, what you must do, you must be firstly subscribed to my YouTube channel, have liked this video, and then also comment down below with the answer to these questions. Now, they are quite tough questions, but you can find the answers by looking back at my previous videos and looking in the highway code. I'll link the relevant videos down below. The first question is, how do we define a dual carriageway? And a clue, it's not a road of two lanes. That's not the answer I'm looking for. I'm looking for the official answer from the highway code. The next question is, what does a steady amber mean on a traffic light? Again, I'm looking for the official answer from the highway code. I'm not worried if it's not worded perfectly, but an answer that's very similar to what's in the highway code. And the third question is, what's the minimum distance you need to be able to read a number plate from to be able to legally drive? And I'm looking for the official answer from the highway code, remember. So, please try not to just guess these questions. Make sure you know the answer. Look in your highway code. Look at the videos linked below, all the answers are there. Be careful not to just copy other people's answer, as they may have got it incorrect. And like I say, in order to win, you have to have got these 3 questions correct, you have to be subscribed and have liked the video. The competition closes at the end of October, so good luck and bye for now.